Hey ladies! Alright, so I'm Yasha from Couture Wigs, and I just wanted to give you a little inspiration today and just let you all know that we are all struggling with some type of problems. Everybody's going through something right now. And a great way to help heal the situation is, of course, to look good and feel good. And a great way to look good, especially if you have hair problems, thinning, damage, medical reasons, stress, is of course to try to get a wig. A wig is a perfect protective style. Not a lot of tension on your hair, hardly any. Get extensions, you're gonna add some tension to it, but you can also apply them so there won't be a lot of tension. You can have a U-part wig where you can have the perimeter of your hair hanging out, and you get a full wig where none of your hair is exposed, and that way you can take it on and off, and you can maintain the health of your hair at night, in the morning, when you do not have your wig on. So don't worry, there is always hope. There's still remedies that you can have to temporarily fix the problem while you're also fixing the problem, okay? So beauty, of course, happens from within, but we're also going to make sure that you feel beautiful from outside because we are here for you, all right? MercyCoutureWigs.com.